This time around, it's time to show the Jeep a little bit of love because this thing hauls the family around and gives us a good weekend fun and beach fun. Especially right now, we're just riding, picking up the kids and top off type of deal. So American Modified has hooked us up once again. All right, guys, so in the box this time around, American Modified, they listened to me and actually packaged the crap out of it because this thing, man, I could probably play football with it and not break it. But it's got corner wraps. This thing is well packaged. Corner wraps on the bottom side of it. Some more stuff in the box we'll get to here in a little bit. Stuff out of the way. Some good packaging, guys. Definitely. Here we go. Look at the heatsink on that LED. That's pretty hefty. Of course, just what you expect. Big old grill. Good finish. The paint looks really good, as a matter of fact, for a gloss black finish. We used to see like a lot of imperfections and stuff like that, but this thing looks pretty look pretty wicked. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the Jeep right now and see what it looks. All right, so my daughter just crashed the video. Say hi. And here's all the stuff that comes in it. Looks like some plastic fillers with clips that go on the bottom, which is what clips onto it. And then we got this two here. I'll have to read the instructions. I hate reading instructions, but I guess I'm gonna have to read the instructions. We also got the instructions here. Kind of tell you how to put it on step by step, and shows you the. All right, guys. So now let's pop the hood. Julie, pop the hood. Pull that clip down. No. And then let me show you here. All right, now you got a clip here. Here. There you go.
I have no idea.
I'm bringing you guys along. So basically, the way we get this out is we pop all these clips off. Here, 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 and here. And then the bottom side of it snaps, okay? Then just pull the whole thing like that. Set it right. Basically, once you get all these out, you're gonna pop it from here and it'll unclip, okay? So let's get the rest of them out from the top. And while I'm doing this time lapse, I'm gonna talk about this Jeep because a lot of people have asked me about it and stuff like that. Any issues that I've had. This is a 2023 Rubicon. The only thing I've done to it is a super cheap cold air intake, and thus far I've put probably about like 20,000 miles on it. The kids definitely like it. It's pretty cool when you take the doors off and stuff like that and go cruise around with the family. I'm just gonna keep rolling to kind of show like the actual time lapse of what it takes to get this bumper off. I mean, not bumper, this grill. Y'all know what I meant. want to get your hands all up in there. So you guys can see that's where it clips off. And it comes off. The whole grill just pulls out like once. All right, guys, so here's the deal, right? We got to get this bracket. It comes like so. It's going to go in here. And it's going to get screwed on like so, right? But, of course, dealing with plastic didn't come out too great in there. So I'm going to use the drill here just to kind of clean that hole up real good. Just like so. All right, then I'm going to go to this other side here. Do the same exact thing on those two holes. All right, just to make sure that the screw goes straight through with no issues. Man, what a scam. The iPhone just went out. So I'm gonna put this corner pieces here. You got a screw through here and a screw through here. Don't go too crazy on it, just make sure it kind of like grips it. So, all right, I'm gonna get the other corner piece. It goes like so. I'm just following the mold with it. Go. One more here. Like so. All right, next, let's install our clips. Jesus, I'm trying to do this through the camera. So you can see, I was trying to do it like looking through the camera. And of course, I messed them up. So let's grab another one here. So I'll go like this. That way they go like right in the middle. They're supposed to go like that, and then boom. So you get the gesture. Then one here. Then one here. Jesus. Just did it again. So I went ahead also and swapped my light bar. The wire was coming out this way. I wanted to come out this way towards the passenger side because that's where my fuse box is. So that's something you can definitely do. You just take the screws off, this screws, this screws, this screws, and just flip the whole thing over, and it just kind of pops to where you want it. Again, I just did that because I need the to access my fuse box, which is right over there, and that's the reason why. Also, another super cool thing is they provide this stuff here, which is really cool. So brand new push pins. Mines are good, so I'm just gonna use mine. I'm definitely gonna keep this because it's something you definitely want to keep for like later on when you break it or whatever the case may be. All right, next up I'm gonna go ahead and put the grill in. It's ready to go. Basically gonna come in here like so. Going to run my wire. Just gonna lay the grill here. Run the wire right under the headlight or the intake. Of course, once I get everything in there, I'll go ahead and zip tie later on. Good thing is the wire is definitely long enough to get to where I wanted to go. So let's pull this puppy through like so, right under the headlight to where it's not visible. I'm gonna line all my pins, all of your holes. Got a little more here. This one doesn't feel like. Alright, just like that. Now we're gonna pop this back on. There we go. Look at that baby there. Super, super sexy. I like that thing. Mean, looks super, super mean. Love the way it looks with the gloss black. Looks clean. Super, super clean. I love it. So now let's go ahead and show you guys how to wire this baby up to get some brightness. All right, guys, so this was called a fuse tab. I bought this on Amazon. You get all kinds of different sizes. Again, the bottom one is for the actual fuse or the card function. In this case, I'm using the cigarette lighter, so this 20 will be for the cigarette lighter and this one will be for the power for my lights. Okay, so basically let's go ahead and pop it in the original fuse hole like so. Then I already got my ground wired up here, and now I'm just gonna connect my positive to this end, and now every time I turn the key on, the lights will turn on. So let me go ahead and wire that up and I'll show you guys. All right, so this is how my finished product's gonna look like. So you got the wire tap there, you got the two fuses. Good thing is if the lights have a short, it'll pop the fuse on the top instead of popping anything in the car itself. And then my ground is over there. You can ground it out here. Of course, it didn't have this nut here. I gotta buy one of these nuts or something that thread size. That way I can ground off here instead of having to go to the battery, which I do not like. I like to ground straight to the body, especially when I'm going in the fuse box. But anyways, so I just put that there like that. Again, the car is got the accessories off. Now I'm gonna go ahead, go in the car. So you guys up here kind of see. Go ahead and turn the ignition to run. Oh, of course I need the keys for that. there we go. That's what the grill kind of looks like, all the way out like that. Lights are pretty strong. Looks pretty good to me. I wish they come on a little bit better. You could actually see it a little bit better in here, but looks pretty good, guys. Now I need some LED lights because they do not match for sure. Super happy with the way the grill came out. Again, thanks to American Modified for hooking me up with another grill. If you guys want to save money on this grill or anything on their website, just use the BoostedFL link. Definitely helps you out, save some money, get your ride looking good, and modifying it to whatever you guys like. But as of right now, I'm definitely super happy with the way this came out, guys. I'm super stoked. Unfortunately, had to take a couple breaks here and there to do some stuff, but again, I say about 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, start to finish, even to wire it up. And this thing makes it look super mean. I love the way it makes the Jeep look, especially my wife. She likes it. You happy? Yeah. Thanks a lot to American Modified. Thank you for hooking me up. You guys want to catch your grill or whatever you guys want to do to modify your car, they got a lot of stuff in there. Go check them out. See you guys in the next one.